Hello, and welcome to a little bit of math. So, because this tends to be hard, let's see if this video helps. So, fractions to decimal numbers. So, up here you can see you have 1 divided by 8, and the same here. It doesn't matter how you write them, both can be correct, or both are correct. So, when you start making the fraction, and this is the way I learned it, so you do it like this, and the number that is here, the 8 in this case, and the 8 there, goes outside. Inside you put the 1, and because 8 is bigger than 1, you can already put a dot, and you can add a couple of zeros. Remember, this does not change the number, it's just necessary for this to work. So if you have 1, can you take 8? The answer is no. So we put a 0 up here, and let's not forget the dot. So you can put a 0 here, you make the line, 1 minus 0 is still 1, and then you take the 0 down. So now it says 10. So if you have 10, can you take 8? Yes. How many times? 1. So 1 times 8 is 8. Make the line, you say 10 minus 8 is 2. You take the next 0 down, so now it says 20. And if you have 20, how many times can you take 8? The answer is 2. So put a 2 there. 2 times 8 is 16. So that is 20 minus 16 is 4. And we can then take another 0 down, even though it isn't put it there. So now you have 40. How many times can you take 8? The answer is 5. So, and 5 times 8 is 40, which means we're left with 0. So the fraction here is 0.125. So shall we try another example? Which one shall we do? What about 4/7? No, actually let's not do that. Let's try this here instead. Let's go with 7/4. So again, we do this. Which number goes outside? The 4. And inside is the 7. Again, let's just add a couple of zeros. And because 7 is bigger than 4, this is going to be a result that is bigger than 0 point something. So if you have 7, how many times can you take 4? 1. Let's remember the dot. 1 times 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then we take the 0 down. So now it's 30. So if you have 30, how many times can you take 4? That would be 7. 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. And we take another 0 down. And if we have 20, how many times can we take 4? The answer is 5. And 5 times 4 is 20, leaving us with nothing. So 7 divided by 4 is 1.75. And that's how you change fractions to decimal numbers. I hope that helped.